Hi guys, how you doing? Thanks for joining me again on another review video. Today we're going to look at another item that's been sent to me by Baseline Supplies. Baseline Supplies is the UK distributor for claw gear clothing, and the item that we're going to look at today is from Claw Gear, and it's the Instructor Shirt. Now the thing I like about the Claw Gear range of clothing is that everything comes in its own protective little cotton bag. Great for keeping these items clean and protected, especially when you're travelling out into the field and you maybe want to change when you get there. So the shirt that we're going to look at, as I said, is the Instructor Shirt, and this one is in Coyote Brown. Now you're thinking, it's just a t-shirt, isn't it? Well, it's a t-shirt, but then again it's a tactical t-shirt. It means it's a little bit different. So the benefit of this is the really good breathable, flexible material. Very comfortable to wear. It's got that luxurious feel to it that's very comfortable on your skin. Each shoulder also has a zip compartment for documents, money, cigarettes, whatever it is that you want to put in a pocket, and you've also got the Velcro there for putting all your badges on. Let's face it, airsofters love badges, so you've got that on both shoulders. A zip compartment and also a Velcro patch. Now then, if we're going to talk about a t-shirt, there's only so much you can say before you run out of things to say about it. So rather than talking about how sexy it looks and all the rest of it, what we'll do is we'll get someone wearing it and we'll combine it with a little bit of game footage.
Yours is in your pocket.
Nice.
Okay. Marshall ready? Blue team.
Ready?
Pink team.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Game on.
Corner. That's it.
Moving.
Right. Go.
That's game over. 1-0. Pink.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Game on. Pitch clear. 2-0. Change in.
Oh, that was so...
Pink team.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Game on.
Oh, camera shot.
Coming in on us.
Hit!